So let's take this exercise on Web API, exercise 4. This is on put Web API. You can read the statement, and let me close these files first. This is the solution, and this is the index home page, and we have kept it small, simple. And then we have this program.cs file where our APIs are. So create builder, add razor pages, add singleton. This will be a list, and this is the instance. The single instance contains 2 items, and build map razor pages. The usual code, you can find it in the downloads. And this is the put request. And a put request, as you must already be knowing, is a replacement. It replaces. Put means replace. So the entire replacement, this is the ID of the item to be replaced, and this is the entire item. This is the replacement, and this is the list. This comes from the your this singleton that we added. Dependency injection provides it. Then these are the returns: no content or not found. This API will return either of these two. And these are the conditions we check. If the ID and item.id are consistent, first of all, this is required. Then we check if the item exists. It must exist in your database. So the second check is for that. This third check is really not required. It is redundant. You can remove it. So we will find out the index of the item in our database, and this item, the same item, the index is found, and then replacement is done. Then the item coming is the replacement. So this is how a put request is supposed to work. For changes you use patch request. No content on success, and not found if some problem is there. So this is the code you can see. And then we have our map get. The list of items will be shown. This is again an OK containing the list, and this is again from dependency injection. And in the end we have the class, and these are the curl commands. You can copy paste for testing purposes. Let's copy it in fact and run this application so that our home page opens. And now we open our curl. We'll now paste that command to see the current list. It says http OK, and id 0 is n1, id 1 is n2. So this is the current data. And now let's copy the put request. I'll copy it and bring it to my. So this is I means that I want the entire response including headers. This is the data n3. So id 0 will be changed to n3. This will be the replacement. I'll see if instead of n3 I can write n9. N9 just for the sake of it I've done it, nothing else. It wasn't required. This is the type of request and this is the place where the request has to go. So let's hit enter. It says method not found. Some mistake I've done. Let me think about it. Okay, I got it. That I have to send the ID in the URL. So this 0 has to be sent. You can see this HTTP put. This includes the ID and now it returns no content, which means it has done it successfully. And now we should again test the products and we see that item at ID 0 is indeed replaced. So this is how your put request is working. We'll close it right now. Thank you.